In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Outlook Calendar to Todoist, so your meetings and your tasks finally share the same view. If you live in the Microsoft world and plan your days around Outlook, this integration means your Todoist tasks and your calendar events stop living in two separate places. Let's set it up. Start by opening your settings. The quickest way is to press the letter O, then the letter S, which takes you straight into the settings panel. In the list on the left, click Integrations. This is the home for every connection Todoist can make. At the top, click the Browse tab to open the full gallery of available integrations. You can scroll through the list or use the search box to jump to what you need. Look for the Outlook Calendar integration and click it to open its page. From here, the setup is straightforward. You'll click Connect, then sign in to your Microsoft account and approve the permissions so Todoist and Outlook Calendar can share information. I won't log into a personal account on screen, but those are the exact steps. Click Connect, choose your Microsoft account, and allow the connection. Once it's set up, your tasks and your calendar work as one. Tasks with dates can appear alongside your Outlook events. So when you look at your day, you see both what you have to attend and what you have to do, all in a single place. No more flipping between two apps and hoping nothing falls through the cracks. This cd/download/yta-recordercat greater than video.txt less than EOF. Title: How to Connect Outlook Calendar to Todoist. app https://app.todoist.com.